Imperative, the command form. Here are the personal pronouns. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Which of these mean you? If you said 4 of them, you're correct. Du, you informal. Wir, you and I. Ihr, you informal plural. And sie, you formal singular and plural. I'm going to tell you the homework right now. Take notes as you watch this video, and you will be allowed to use them on the quiz. So take very careful notes, make sure you understand your notes, and make sure you bring them with you to class. Alles klar? Fangen wir an. Sie. Spielen Sie bitte das Klavier. Please play the piano. Sie is the formal, the only form in which you actually say the word Sie, the word for you. We can consider the rules to create the imperative in each of the 4 cases like a mathematical formula. For the formal Sie, our formula is infinitive plus Z, plus exclamation point. So, hören Sie die CD. Listen to the CD. Infinitive plus Z plus exclamation point. Singen Sie die Musik. Sing the music. Infinitive Z exclamation point. The only difference between the formal Z imperative and a question is the question mark. Hören Sie die CD? Do you hear the CD? Are you listening to the CD? Singen Sie die Musik? Are you singing the music? It's always a good idea to put an exclamation point at the end so that it's clear that you're saying a command. Kommen Sie bitte hier. It's always a good idea to throw in bitte anytime you're making a request. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Sprechen Sie bitte Deutsch? Oh, sorry, it's a command. Sprechen Sie bitte Deutsch? Sprechen Sie Deutsch bitte? Bitte, sprechen Sie Deutsch? Ihr. Informal, you, plural. Here's our formula. Stem plus t, which is the conjugation to ear, plus our exclamation point at the end. For the informal plural ear, conjugate to ear. Look at the verbs we conjugated last time. What's the conjugation of essen to ear? Ihr est. Just like the formal, the verb comes first. Esst dein Gemüse. Eat your vegetables. Conjugation of lesen to ear. Ihr lest. Lest das Buch. Read the book. Notice that unlike the Z form, you don't say ear. You don't say the word for you in the command. 2 more examples. Conjugation of fahren to ear. Ihr fahrt. Fahrt nach Stuttgart. Sprechen. Ihr sprecht. Sprecht Deutsch. Now we have du, the informal singular. Du stem, that is the stem that you'd normally conjugate to do minus st, and you don't say do, but you do add an exclamation point. Here's an example. Conjugation of fahren, to do, is du fährst. We apply our formula, subtract the st, and we're left with fahr nach Stuttgart. Just the do stem, no st, and you don't say do. Conjugation of essen, to do, du isst. Isst das Eis. Eat the ice cream. Conjugation of lesen, du liest. Liest das Buch. Couple more examples. Conjugation of sprechen, to do, du sprichst. Sprich Deutsch. Speak German. Remember our separable prefix verb herkommen, to come here. Du kommst her. Komm her. And you can always throw in bitte. Komm bitte her. The last one we listed was wir. This is you and I, wir. This is more of a suggestion than a command. It's the let's form, as in let's dance. Infinitive plus wir equals let's. Tanzen wir. Let's dance. Here's our formula. Infinitive plus wir plus exclamation point. So our sentences. Fahren wir nach Stuttgart. Let's drive to Stuttgart. Essen wir das Eis. Let's eat the ice cream. Lesen wir das Buch. Let's read that book. Sprechen wir Deutsch. Let's speak German. That's it. So, remember your notes. Gehen wir jetzt. Let's go. Tschüss.